Hi everyone, it's Yamchon Food. This time, I'm gonna share you how to make Chiyu, which is chicken oil. Chiyu refers to the oil extracted from chicken skin. It's often used as a flavor oil in ramen shops. Characterized by the fragrant chicken flavor, it quickly turns into a professional-grade dish if you used as a secret ingredient when making ramen or fried rice. If you put a spoonful of this chicken oil in instant noodles, you will have delicious ramen that you can't think of as instant noodles. Alright, let's get started. Ingredients. First of all, finely chop the white part of the leek. Wipe off the moisture from the chicken skin and cut into bite-sized pieces. Heat up the frying pan over medium-high heat until the chicken skin is brown. Turn it over and slowly put out chicken oil over low heat for about 40 minutes. Turn the chicken skin over evenly so as not to burn it. When oil comes out, add sesame oil and lard. Add garlic, ginger, and takanotsume, red hot pepper. Leek is easy to burn, so add them near the end. Fry the chicken skin until crispy on high heat at the end. Strain out the oil. The golden Chiyu is done. Please enjoy the crispy chicken skin as a snack with ponzu sauce. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!